Hey, my name is Davron Karimov and I am the CEO of FunderHunt.co. It's the first true online lending marketplace for businesses without an origination fee or a broker fee. With the help of technology and automation, we've been able to completely eliminate the entire application process. So there's not going to be any printing or faxing or scanning required. Okay, all you have to do is go on the website FunderHunt.co, answer a couple questions on the website. It's a short questionnaire. And then from there, we can generate approvals for you in a few business hours for funding for your business. I'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, what is going on? Okay, that was a short little clip right there. As you can see, it's nighttime now. But I made that clip as a short little 30-second elevator pitch. I messed up a couple of times, so I had to re-record it. But I didn't want to practice it too much because then it wouldn't actually be an elevator pitch. And if I actually met someone in an elevator pitch, or if I actually met someone in an elevator, I wouldn't have 5 times to retry it. So, I did it a couple times. I messed up badly, but I think I got it good on that one. And I could have, obviously, there's always room for improvement, but hopefully you guys enjoy my 30-second elevator pitch. Okay, this video was made in response to Dan Locke's. He just made a video about having belief in your company and believing in your product that you sell. And people always think I'm crazy when I say I would take a cash advance myself. At least the people that I talk to, they always say I'm crazy for wanting to take cash advance myself. And basically my stance on that is, if there's a use for the capital, which is true in my company because my company has the revenue to support it. It's not like I'm gonna take a cash advance and we're gonna go out of business. And so I would take a cash advance. And he at the end of the video he said, record a 30 to 60-second elevator pitch of yourself pitching your product, and if it's really good, he'll like the video. Dan Locke will like the video, and if it's not good, he'll dislike it. So he said I'll know if he likes it or not. So that was my elevator pitch. Like I said, I didn't practice it too many times. Maybe like 3-4 times I practiced it before I finally got it good. Got it what I want. I did make a couple mistakes, but it is what it is. You're never gonna get it perfectly right every single time. At least I don't think so. Especially when you're in an elevator. Like, I'm just talking to a camera, but if I was in front of a actual person, I don't know. I mean, I'm good over the phone, but face to face, we'll have to see. We're doing an event in Miami, so you can come down to Miami August 30th, and I'll pitch you right then and there. Alright guys, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, even if you're not Dan Locke. Okay, smash the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. And if you want to really grow your merchant cash advance business, go to creamofcapital.com//leads. It's not up there, but creamofcapital.com/leads to get your MCA leads. Okay, and I don't need to say this. I don't think I need to say this, but it's literally the best leads in the industry, because I just got off the phone with someone that just called me. It's 9 o'clock here in New York. They just called me, and they were inquiring about how do I get more, I guess, how do I get the leads? He was asking me, he was asking me a bunch of questions, and we talked for a good long time. We talked for like 13 minutes, I think. So we went through a lot, and basically it all just boils down to this. There's so many people making so much money in this industry right now that if you could I think the market right now is 1.3 trillion or something crazy like that. Like, the last I checked, it was a trillion with a T in small business funding. So if you could just capture a market share of that, and if you're getting people that are actually interested, applied for funding within the past 7 to 30 days in your inbox, versus and the people that are doing this right now, what they're doing is calling on 2-year-old, 3-year-old data lists, UCC lists, and they're doing really well, doing 5-6 million doing it. And I'm not trying to people think that, like, no one thinks this, but I feel like a question might come up like, oh, if these leads are so good, then why aren't you calling on them, or why aren't you? Yeah, and the truth is I am. And the truth is I just want to help you guys. The entire point of my channel is to get you guys some money and get you in this industry, because this industry has changed my life. And it's not like I came from a business background or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had very little sales experience, if any. I don't think I've ever sold a customer. I don't think I've ever sold a customer that wasn't already a sold customer. Like, you know what I mean? Like, so I never had that background, but the industry changed my life, and the truth is I want to help you guys get you some money. So why am I doing this instead of calling these leads, getting funded deals? And the truth is, I like helping guys. I think YouTube has been a very good place to me, and I want to keep it strong with my with my audience. And also, I do live streams twice a week. Okay, like, I do live streams twice a week. Live stream. I go live in front of the camera for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So, I mean, I could be calling on guys during that time, obviously, but I want to help you guys, because all the time when I put out videos like this, the number one question I get is, how do I get started in this industry? So I hope this video, kind of helps you. And I mean, if there's any way I can help you guys, in less than 30 days, we're going to, like, it's 3 weeks actually. In 3 weeks, we're going to Miami to do. I'm buying 20 people dinner, 20 merchant cash advance brokers dinner at that event. So I'm really looking forward to that, and hopefully we discuss the state of the union of merchant cash advance, and how to really scale up and grow your business, merchant cash advance. So for all those people that are going, thank you. I'll meet you there. I look forward to meeting you there. And if you're interested in joining the event, I'm only picking 20 people to join the event with me, because I'm basically buying you guys dinner. But I'm gonna put a little link. It's a little form. Just fill out the registration form. More likely than not, you'll get in. But it is a table of 20, so it's like, it's a more intimate setting than your typical events. But at the end of the day, I mean, worst case scenario, you get to BS about business. Am I allowed to say BS on YouTube? You get to talk about business, and you get a free dinner out of it. All right, so thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Peace.